Today, we'll be animating the Ironman snap. This series will have spoilers for Avengers Endgame. If you saw my previous video, I would have mentioned that I'll be doing my final Avengers video, but in the comment section, you guys requested me to do the Ironman snap, and a lot of you came on board for the idea. So I figured I'd give what you guys asked for. This scene is a very emotional scene. I wanted to be true to Tony Stark's face and try to convey the scene as authentically possible. Like always, I began with a rough sketch. Similar to my last videos, I began with a quick sketch and a rough outline. I had to watch this scene so many times to get the minor nuances right. Now we'll begin with giving a detailed outline of Tony Stark's face. Now we'll have a small segment called How to Draw the Iron Man Face or Tony Stark or Robert Downey Jr. We begin by giving a clean stroke, which will be his mouth. Then we go ahead and block out his signature stash. Once we are done with the stash, from the ends of it, we begin drawing his beard. Once we are done with the beard, we block out his hairstyle. Again, Tony Stark has a unique hairstyle, so it's pretty easy to replicate and join the lines from his hair to his beard. From the end of his hairline, just go ahead and block out the eyebrows and his eyes. Then we finish up with his facial features. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now let's do this again from a different angle to his face. Similar to the first step, we start with the mouth, his signature stash, his beard, his hairstyle, and connect the hairstyle to his beard. Finish up with his facial features and you're done. And this is the exact same procedure I followed to get his face done. And I think it's pretty close to his Tony Stark's face. What do you guys think? Comment below. The next step from my rough line art is to give more detail to it. So once I finish the line art, the sequence looks something like this. Once I was satisfied with the line art sequence, I went on to fill it with color. Like my previous videos, I first blocked out the colors, then using the lasso tool, I added the highlight and shadows. Next up, I need to work on the stones. The first thing I did is to choose the colors of the infinity stones and have a color palette ready for me. Since an animation should be cohesive looking, preparing out your color palette is essential and it's a lot time consuming. Once I have my color palette ready, it's time to start coloring the infinity stones and give some glow effect to it. And finally, once Iron Man puts a gauntlet on, the power of the infinity stones courses through his body. So we'll animate the lightning effects from his glove to his body. And for the background, I use the same background that I've been using for the past 2 videos, as all of those scenes are in the same battle sequence. Gave some finishing touches and flicked the audio from the original movie, and this is how it turned out. Thanks for taking time to watch my video. If you're new here and to watch more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That's it from me today. See you in the next video.